So in this question it is given that two rods of equal length and diameters have thermal conductivities 3 and 4 unit respectively. If they are joined in series, the thermal conductivity of combination will be. So if you want to find out the value of equivalent thermal conductivity of series combination, we will use this equation L1 plus L2 divided by L1 by K1 plus L2 divided by K2. Now over in this question it is given that L1 and L2 are same, so we can take it as L plus L divided by L by K1 plus L divided by K2. So we can take this L common and cancel it. So it is going to be 2 divided by 1 by K1 plus 1 divided by K2. So you can just substitute these values over here. So this is 2 divided by 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 4. So we can write this as 2 divided by, if you are taking this 12 as LCM, we can write this as 4 plus 3. So we can write this 12 on numerator. So it is going to be 2 into 12, which is 24 divided by 4 plus 3, which is 7. So we'll get the answer as 24 divided by 7, or which is equal to 3.428, or you can approximately write it as 3.43.